Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 Shall we please give His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Sir Amaewhule, Siminalayi Joseph Fubara GSS RS, 3 hearty cheers. Hip, 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 hip. Hooray! Hip, 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 hip. Hooray! I think we can do better. We are many enough to make it better. Hip, 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 hip. Hooray! You will now be cutting the cake. After the cutting of the cake, of course, we will sing another very special song. And of course, God has been so wonderful in His life and in the lives of all of us gathered here. So, at the mention of the last word, or the last letter rather, we will cut the cake. So we'll do it together. Shall we please give ourselves a resounding J? J. An echoing E. E. A very loud S. S. A unique U. U. And a resounding S. Jesus. For He's a jolly good fellow. For He's a jolly good fellow. He's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us. And so say all of us. Hooray! And so say all of us. Hooray! For He's a jolly good fellow. For He's a jolly good fellow. For He's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us. Shall we please give them a resounding round of applause?
Well thought out meeting for this region. Gentlemen of the press, let me first of all thank the governor of Bayelsa and also my colleagues, including everyone here, for this very special treatment that I received on my way into this meeting. I honestly, on behalf of my family, say thank you for this special, I call it an additional celebration outside my state. The good God who rewards in open will reward every one of you for this kind gesture. On my part, I want to say it this way. This is not the first time we're meeting. For me, I've followed the course of the region meeting in a forum that we tagged Breast Commission. Breast Commission is also one of the body that was constituted at that time to support work out development of this region. But what I'm saying today is not limiting this meeting to only Breast Commission, but widening the scope where other leaders of the region should be part of the discussion of the development of the region. And I think this is a direction that will help the region. I want to appeal, because virtually all that were needed to say, the chairman did mentioned them in his speech. And my other colleagues also have made some very vital points. But I want to appeal that if we have to succeed in this drive, we need to keep our political differences aside and understand that the struggle as of today is for posterity, for the development of our region. It's really sad that Niger Delta, that is the economic base of this country, the construction of a road that you tag East-West Road could be an issue that we need to beg, we need to protest, we need to complain. I don't think it's proper. The authorities, it's not that they don't understand that we need this road, but they don't take the road serious because you have not taken yourself serious. That is the truth. It is the value that you give yourself. That is what any other person outside will also attach to you. So I think our brand new chairman, because there is no election to elect you as the chairman, you are the oldest in our group. The four of us that are here, including the one that is not in our midst, which we are older than, you are the oldest. So you automatically will lead us. I pray that God will give you all that is needed to pilot. It's not going to be an easy task. There will be issues. Because once this kind of meeting starts and strong resolutions start coming out, you will start seeing some comments from places. But it comes to a time in the life of a man, a state, or a country to take a position. And that time is now. I can assure everyone, just like the MC said, I already have what it takes to take decision and stand by it, but not crocodile. So we'll work together to make our region great. Thank you. And God bless you.